Neighbors, what's good? It's your guy, DJ Neighborhood, of course. But today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm taking out my ECU. So as you know, I have the 2020 GR Supra, and the ECU is locked. So to make the power that we're gonna do, well, try to make I need to get my ECU unlocked. So what I'm gonna do today is just show y'all how to take it out. I've already started, as you can see, but to make things simple, it comes with a cover like this on top of it, and you just pop it, take that cover off. And well, I already did these, so I'm gonna just show y'all picking up from where I left off. Right here, as you can see, it's some clips. It's this bracket, and you just press this clip in, and this part right here comes down over that. So I don't have any nails, so it might be kind of difficult, but you get the moral of the story. You press this clip down right here, that little clip, and when you do that, this piece right here slides over the front of it. It'd be easy if I had two, an extra hand, but I'm vlogging one hand, doing this with the other. I'm gonna try to get it. If not, I'm gonna have to sit y'all down while I unclip the rest of these last two. Let me try one again. Oh shit! Don't want to break none. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sit y'all down right quick so I can get that. Hold on. All right, neighbors, I'm back. I removed the last two, and as you can see right there, it's a little clip right there. There's one. And then there's another one right there. You gotta unclip those from this little bracket. Well, it's not a bracket, but from right here, so you can pull the ECU up. Once you do that, you can pull the ECU out, and boom, this is my ECU out. It has the date and everything on the ECU. So as you know, the 2020s are tunable. If it's, don't quote me on this now. Don't quote me on this, but I believe it's earlier than June 5th, 2020. So if you got an ECU that's earlier than June 5th, 2020, it's tunable. This one was tunable, but the previous owner went to BMW and had an update done, and they locked it up. So I just pulled this out to send it off. I'm going with Visconti tuning. I'm not sure if I said that right, but I saw them do it. It was a real simple process, not long at all. Simple. Sure. Let's see what we're working with. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I don't know what I'm looking at, but yeah, that's that. That's how you take it out. Just to reiterate, the battery doesn't have to be disconnected. These are the cables. It's 6 of them. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 of them. They're color coded. I just marked it down how I did it. The battery doesn't have to be disconnected, like I said. That's pretty much it. Now this is here. I'm gonna mail it off overnight. Of course, as you know, the ECU is out. You can't drive the car, so I'm gonna let it sit here for the weekend. I'm on base still, so I'm cool with that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But just a heads up why I got you under the engine bay. As you know, everything is fully stocked right now, but we got an air intake. I already got that at the house. As you know, I'm still in Virginia. I got the air intake at the house. I think we went with Eventuri, I think that is. Not sure. Got a downpipe too. At the house as well. We went with Boost Logic. Got a catback exhaust. I went with Arc. Other than that, I got something else. I got the air intake downpipe. I got a charge pipe. So this one here is fine, but it's plastic. It cracks a little bit. So I got a new charge pipe. That's gonna be another video. So I think the charge pipe was, I didn't go with, I can't remember. I can't remember the brand I went with, but you know, when we do that video, it'll be cool. So I'm gonna try to do 4 separate videos: charge pipe, air intake, downpipe, and exhaust. It's gonna be fairly simple. Of course, air intake don't take long. I heard it take about 30 minutes to take off the downpipe. Don't know how true that is. Haven't worked on a BMW since like 2016, so I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It's not too long. Oh yeah, neighbors, before we pop smoke, one more thing. You'll get this message. You cannot drive the car while the ECU is out. Just had to reiterate that. Just saying it because I didn't say it at first, and you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Can't drive the car until, you know, put the ECU back in and properly and all that. But this is the end of this video, guys. I just wanted y'all to know that, so you know you wouldn't do anything or do anything crazy. Once again, the battery does not have to be disconnected. As you can see, mine's not disconnected. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video, and Neighborhood out.